In what has been a big relief for the Adani Group and for Gautam Adani, SEBI, the market regulator, has given a clean chit to the group as well as to its top executives after finding no evidence of law violations, fraudulent practices, market manipulation or insider trading as was being alleged by Hindenburg Research in the year 2023. With the regulatory overhang now cleared, most of the brokerage houses have now turned bullish on the Adani Group stocks. Many are also projecting rally of up to 50% as well from the current market price on most Adani stocks. So here are the top 5 stocks that are on the brokerage houses radar. Ventura Securities has pegged a 52% rally on Adani Enterprises from the current prices and given a target price of 3,801 on the stock. ICICI Securities has, however, seen Adani Wilmar as a promising stock which can climb 35% to all the way up to 360 rupees on rising consumption and on strong distribution going forward. Motilal Oswal Financial Services has targeted 1,700 target price for Adani Ports. That represents a 29% upside from the current levels, with Prabhudas Leeladhar also being even more upbeat on Adani Ports, which has projected a target price of 1,777 for the company. Jefferies has also looked at a 29% gain that could be coming in on Adani Green Energy, citing the capacity expansion by 3.5 times to 50 gigawatts by 2030, also improved leverage and valuation still at a 63% discount to the January 2023 peaks, thereby creating a lot of room for the upside as well.